To connect Wi-Fi on Emirates flight, first thing that you need to do is click on the settings icon of your device and then go to the Wi-Fi connection and make sure that the toggle button of Wi-Fi is on. Afterwards, select an Emirates Wi-Fi. Here are the different Emirates Wi-Fi that you can connect. First is free 20 MB use within 2 hours that you can use WhatsApp, Messenger, tweet, or update your status. Next is up to 150 MB, which gives you stay connected for longer and there's no time limit, and the service only stops when you've used 150 MB of data. But you need to purchase this. And there are still other plans that you can use or avail. Next is, once you have already chosen a plan, make sure that the airplane mode is turned off. If in any case that it is turned on, make sure that you have already turned it off before connecting or subscribing to the data plan of Emirates.